Hello, this is Jef Forward with Forward Design Build Remodel, and today we're at the Lutz project, and I wanted to give you a little sneak peek of a really fun detail that we've been working on the last couple of weeks. Rob Walker, our project manager, has been working with Matt Nicholas, one of our lead craftsmen, on building and assembling this hickory screen, which we're applying in a mid-century approach to our staircase. So what you see behind me, or to my right, we've got a protection system over our hickory treads. And you can see we've got some notches cut off in the side. And I am holding an unfinished 2x2 hickory that is going to, solid hickory that's going to go through a finishing process. And then in the coming week, after we get some elements completed, some larger objects up to the second floor, these are going to be finished and they're going to be installed in this screen work. And pretty simply, they're simply going to slide into that slot, and as you can see, we're also leveling out the drywall. We're adding more mud to this and getting it completely smooth for this installation. And we're really excited to take this video in the coming weeks on the finish application of this and showing it off at our Guts to Glory final reveal tour on May 19th. So thank you very much and have a great day.